We started as a repairs company, having trained young people in the mobile phone industry, which was just to repair mobile phones and computers. Went into assembling, which was the second phase. We've now gotten into an ODM, which is the original engineering development side of our product.
Imagine a Ghanaian tech company that promised to revolutionize Africa's ICT industry, manufacturing laptops and mobile phones, training the youth in technology, and even planning a $10 billion tech city. Now, imagine that same company collapsing due to controversy, government scrutiny, and financial mismanagement. This is the story of RLG Communications, once a beacon of innovation in Ghana and West Africa. What led to its meteoric rise? And more importantly, what caused its...
Reported that RLG Limited has agreed to refund about 6 million cedis to government after they failed to supply some 12,000 laptops under the free laptop distribution program in 2014.
Let's dig deep into the journey of RLG Communications. Early beginnings and rapid rise. Founded in 2001 by businessman Roland Agambire, RLG Communications started as a small mobile phone repair outlet. It quickly grew into a tech powerhouse, assembling laptops, desktops, and mobile phones. The company also expanded its operations into ICT training, equipping young people with skills in computer and phone repairs. By 2012, RLG had reached impressive heights. It was ranked the second best company in Ghana by the Ghana Investment Promotion Center, GIPC. The company soon expanded beyond Ghana, establishing operations in China, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Nigeria, Angola, Kenya, the Gambia, South Africa, and Rwanda. Venturing into phone manufacturing, RLG entered the phone manufacturing market in 2010 with the launch of its G-series mobile phones. In 2013, it introduced new models such as the Viva and Fusion, Android-based devices equipped with dual SIM slots, 3G, and Wi-Fi functionality. These devices were rolled out in Ghana, Nigeria, and the Gambia. Strategic partnerships and government contracts. RLG secured major deals that bolstered its reputation. Microsoft Partnership, 2012. RLG partnered with Microsoft to supply laptops pre-installed with genuine Windows 8. The MSG-1 and Uhuru laptops were designed with built-in modems, detachable docks, and multiple connectivity options. Government contracts, 2010 to 2017. In 2010, the Ghanaian government contracted RLG to manufacture and distribute over 100,000 laptops to schools nationwide. In 2017, the company was awarded a contract to manufacture 60,000 digital set-top boxes for Ghana's digital TV migration. RLG also secured contracts to supply digital set-top boxes in Nigeria. With these projects, the company created thousands of jobs and positioned itself as a leading tech manufacturer in Africa. But behind the scenes, challenges were mounting.
For now, it remains an empty vast land, but RLG and their partners say the tallest building in Africa will occupy this space in the next 3 years. It will have its own educational facilities, including a university, a hospital, and any other facility expected in a modern city.
The Hope City Project. Ambition or overreach? In 2013, RLG unveiled its most ambitious project yet, Hope City. The $10 billion technology hub, planned for Pram in the Greater Accra region, aimed to host Africa's tallest skyscraper and house tech startups, research centers, and business offices. The project was expected to be completed in 3 years. However, years later, the project remained a dream, with no construction taking place. Many speculated that financial constraints, mismanagement, and Ghana's unstable energy supply, dumb saw, played a role in its failure. Ultimately, Hope City became a symbol of RLG's overreach. Recognition and awards. Despite growing concerns, RLG and its CEO continued to receive accolades. 2011, CIMG Marketing Man of the Year. 2012, ranked Ghana's second-best company by GIPC. 2012, Most Influential Ghanaian of the Year. 2012, finalist for Africa Awards for Entrepreneurship. 2011, Ernst & Young, West Africa Entrepreneur of the Year. These recognitions painted a picture of a thriving business, but soon the cracks began to show. The downfall, controversies, and financial troubles. The turning point for RLG came with a series of financial scandals and undelivered projects. Unfulfilled laptop contract. 2017. RLG failed to supply over 12,000 laptops to the government, despite receiving 6.3 million Ghanaian cedis. Failed youth training program. RLG was contracted to train 15,000 youth, but only trained 4,222. The company reportedly received 25.5 million Ghanaian cedis for the program. SADA scandal. Allegations surfaced that RLG benefited from misallocated funds meant for the Savannah Accelerated Development Authority, SADA. Tax evasion. 2017. RLG's CEO was accused of failing to pay 14 million Ghanaian cedis in taxes to the Ghana Revenue Authority. These issues eroded trust in the company, leading to dwindling government support and financial struggles. Where is RLG now? By 2018, RLG offices across Ghana had shut down, and its CEO, Roland Agambire, had relocated, with his whereabouts remaining unknown. Once a trailblazer in African technology, RLG's name faded from the industry it once dominated. So, what caused its downfall? Was it political entanglements, overambitious projects, or financial mismanagement? Perhaps it was a combination of all three. Conclusion. A cautionary tale. RLG Communications was once a symbol of African innovation and entrepreneurship. Its rapid growth showed the potential of local ICT firms, while its fall revealed the dangers of overexpansion, weak corporate governance, and government dependency. Ultimately, RLG's story serves as a cautionary tale for aspiring entrepreneurs. Dream big, but stay grounded. Success in business isn't just about ambition, it's also about sustainability, strategy, and accountability. Was RLG a victim of its own ambition? Or was it doomed from the start? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.